Holding your breath feels simple, but inside, everything races. Oxygen falls. CO₂ takes over. It begins here. Airflow ceases completely. The chest wall freezes. Oxygen intake stops. The diaphragm holds still. The process continues. Carbon dioxide levels rise. The blood turns acidic. Chemical sensors react. Signals reach the brainstem. Another system responds. The heart rate slows down. Peripheral vessels constrict. Blood flow redirects inward. Vital organs take priority. Then the spleen. The organ contracts tightly. Red blood cells release. Oxygen capacity surges briefly. The circulation adapts. Then the brain. The urge to breathe strikes. Panic signals ignite. The diaphragm spasms violently. Lungs strain against pressure. Control begins to slip. Oxygen saturation plummets. Vision edges darken. Muscles twitch involuntarily. The body demands air.